Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make informed decisions before buying. Today, we have something perfect for small spaces. The SogesHome compact dining table set with 2 chairs, a 3-piece set that's ideal for any compact living area. Whether you're looking for a cozy breakfast nook, a small lunch table, or just a functional workspace, this set might just be what you need. So, let's dive into the details of why this could be the best choice for your home. The first thing that stands out about the SogesHome compact dining table set is its sleek, modern design. The 35.4-inch long table fits effortlessly into any room. It's great for kitchens, dining rooms, or even a cozy corner in your living room. The table's matte finished surface adds a touch of elegance, while its waterproof and rust-proof coating ensures easy maintenance. And when it comes to durability, this table is built with a sturdy metal frame that keeps everything stable, providing a safe and secure eating or working space. Now, let's talk about the chairs. The 2 chairs that come with the set are not only comfortable but can be tucked underneath the table when not in use, saving you valuable space. This makes it perfect for apartments, studio spaces, or any room where space is at a premium. Despite their compact size, these chairs offer solid support with a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds per chair, so you don't have to worry about compromising comfort for convenience. The SogesHome compact dining table set is also incredibly versatile. The table can be used in various ways, depending on your needs. You could place it in the kitchen as a dining table, in the living room as a coffee table, or even in your bedroom as a work or makeup desk. This adaptability makes it a great all-around piece for any home. When it comes to assembly, the table comes with a straightforward instruction manual and all the necessary hardware. It's designed to be assembled quickly and without hassle, which is always a plus when you're putting together furniture. In terms of size, it's perfectly designed for small spaces. The table's dimensions are 35.4 inches in length, 18.5 inches in width, and 29.7 inches in height. The chairs each measure 16.5 inches in length, 15.7 inches in width, and 27.6 inches in height. This compact setup fits well into tight corners and small rooms, making it an excellent solution for limited space living. What I love most about this dining set is how functional it is. It's an affordable option for anyone looking for a stylish yet practical table and chair set without taking up too much room. Whether you live in a small apartment, a dorm, or just need extra space in your kitchen, the SogesHome compact dining table set is a smart choice. If you're looking for a dining table that combines both design and practicality for smaller spaces, then this might be the best compact dining table and chairs set you can get. It offers everything you need: modern style, easy assembly, space-saving features, and durable construction. For more reviews and product critiques, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest product reviews here at Product Critique. See you in the next one.